Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video we are going to be doing a DIY. I have not done a DIY on the channel in a couple of years. It's been a while since I've done one, but I've been seeing the infamous junk socks and I wanted to go ahead and give them a try. So first thing, I went on Amazon and I picked up some Scrunch socks. They came in this clear little plastic box instead of the actual insert things, but it's fine, it should work. And then I was looking for some like foot mannequins because I wanted to actually get some form on mine instead of laying them down. And the mannequins they were like 3-4 weeks out, but I did find these smaller ones that came in. And then I wanted to kind of get some charms, so I picked up these L charms, which my first name is Lydia, so that would work. And then I picked up another pack of charms. This I think was a pack off of Amazon as well. I will leave everything in the description box below. So the first thing, I want to get some form on my socks, so I'm going to take my mannequins. They're a little smaller than what I wanted, but they'll still work as a tryout for my first one, and then eventually I may go back and pick up some bigger ones later on. But this is my first attempt and I think it should be okay. So first thing I wanted to do is unpack the socks and put them on the mannequins to kind of give it some form. I didn't want to just kind of lay my socks out. Kind of wanted to see what I was doing. Like, I'm more of like a visual person, so I wanted to kind of see what they would look like. So this would be okay. They're a little longer, but the key to the scrunch socks is to actually like scrunch them up before you do your design. So I put one on the first one. Here's the second one. We're going to go ahead and create the form for these socks. So here's the second one. We're just going to kind of give it some form. And then I know with the junk socks, it's kind of placing the charms kind of sporadically, but I wanted to go ahead and do a design. Like, I wanted both of mine to actually be similar, like the same. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take one of the L charms and go ahead and put them on each. So here I'm just kind of like unpacking the L charms. So this pack actually came with two. So they have a bigger L and then a smaller one as well. So I'm going to use the bigger ones for this particular sock. And then I may use the extra additional charms for like maybe like a blazer or something. I have this old like vintage blazer. I thought that I could add the extra charms to that later on. It'll be cute. So I'm going to take the L and kind of place it. So here I'm just kind of trying to create some type of design. What would be cute? It's no particular way. Again, you can just kind of place your charms any way that you want them. But I think, come up with some type of design. So here I am taking charms out. So I have both of the L's. And then these charms did come with the back attachment, which that's good as well. So I have both of the L charms, and then I'm going to open up my additional pack of charms. Again, I will leave the link to these charms in the description box if anybody wants to purchase these. But I went on ahead and grabbed like a pack. So this pack had, I was looking, trying to figure out which pack I wanted to get of the charms. But I felt like this was probably my best bet. And I want to say these charms are about $10 or something. I think for like a 36 pack or something. So I wanted the charms that had like double of everything because I knew that I wanted like a good design. So anything that had like 2 of each or 3 of each or something like that could kind of make my design a little better. So here I am kind of going through some of the charms to figure out the doubles of everything to put on there. So this one is very cute. It's like a bow. 2 bows, so one on each. Have my L, and then I have some more pin charms. Super cute. I think I'm going to keep it all the same color. I might not do the black ones, but just coming up with some type of design. So it did have this cute little pin, like flower pin, super cute. Again, with the L, I think I'm going to go ahead and insert. So now I'm just going to place the charms on the socks. No particular way, but I did want to have like my L directly in front of my socks. So that's the first one. This is how it looks. So again, just placing the charms on the socks. Super cute. So here I am. I added in a few charms. So this is what it looks like with just a few charms on there. Just kind of giving me a general concept of what it might look like. Just kind of giving me an idea. And this is actually just with the socks straight. So then I did go ahead and remove the socks and give them some more of like that scrunch detail. I felt like once I scrunched up the socks and then placed it back on there, it gave me more of the actual look. So this is the final look. I put the L's on there. I did put the bows. I gave my socks more of like a scrunch look. So this made everything a lot better when I did that. I feel like my design came out super, super cute. I did some charms in the back. Super dope. So I did try them on, and this is the final look. Let me know what you think.